So in this video, I will show you how to create this typography design in Canva. In a new project, add your float image. Go to apps and search for Typecraft. Input your text. Use Anton font and set the color to white. Edit the shape using the edges. Make sure the text fits the image. Duplicate the page. Delete the image, leaving only the text. Go to Element and add a square shape. Change the color to black. Go to Layers and send it backward. Download the second page as PNG. Upload this back to Canva. Delete the second page. Delete the text on the first page. Add the text image. Edit the image and remove the background. Go to Effect, select Dual Tone, select Cherry, set the highlight and shadow to white. On the background image, crop it to the size of the text. Now see the final result. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more Canva tutorials.